A maternity photo shoot is something that I will recommend every married couple to do. But just me saying that doesn't matter. That's why in this video, I want to give you 3 big benefits of doing a maternity photo shoot. What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, and I am an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And I specialize in capturing memories for married expecting parents that they can show to their child when they get older without them doing any work at all. And in this video today, I want to give you 3 quick big benefits of why you should do a maternity photo shoot. The first one is you get to celebrate your pregnancy. This is the first and last time you get to have this child in your belly, or really have this child at all. This is a moment to appreciate how strong you are and also have a day dedicated to you. So I would highly suggest doing a maternity photo shoot if you want to be able to celebrate your pregnancy, celebrate your progress, celebrate your growth, celebrate your accomplishment of being able to carry this baby and bring life into this world. The second big benefit of doing a maternity photo shoot is you have memories to show to your child when they get older. Imagine sitting on the couch with your child when they get older and you're able to open up an album and read to them a message you wrote to them in an album and show them all of the beautiful pictures you took while they were in your belly. I mean, this is a moment, honestly, where they can feel appreciated. They are able to understand that you love them, and you and your child get to have a bonding experience. And last but not least, you get to decorate your home. That is the third big benefit. Like, when it comes to doing a maternity photo shoot, having memories that fill your home is so important, because your memories shouldn't just be for social media. Your memories also should be tangible. They should be in albums and they should be in wall art. So think about how good it would feel to put beautiful wall art on your walls that allow you to make your home feel more homey, allow you to tell others a story when they are invited to your home. These are like things that, make up a home. Wall art on the walls, explaining your story, your pregnancy, then the family photo, then the newborn photo right next to it. These are all the things that I highly suggest you to do for your maternity photo shoot. And these also are the 3 big benefits that I wanted to come on here and tell you today. So now the first step, if you are sold and you feel like you should do a maternity photo shoot, is to create an idea, which is exactly why I want to give you my free gift called the Maternity Photoshoot Idea Vault, and it has over 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it. All you have to do is click the link in the description below and I'll send it right over to you.